People of Guyana, and especially Berbice people, in the 90s, when the PPP win the election, they changed their man from SILWF and they're going house lot in settlements in Berbice. Then take money and bribe and sell out house lot, and who na walk a estate na get house lot, and who get 6 picnic na get house lot. And me and a man named Jeffrey from Canefield, Jeffrey Singh, right placard whole night and bought a tennis roll and carried them and for strike against them. Akil was one of the board member at the SILWF, Calvin Duncan, and some others. And then peep through the window and come out and then tell me that me can't go in to talk to them, that me's not a non-sugar worker. Then said I send 3 sugar worker. Me said I send 3 sugar worker. You know what's gonna happen? I go give the 3 of them lot and the rest I go get. Me say I send one man named Ashton Cheese. They ask me how me know Ashton Cheese. Me tell them that is the best trade unionist liar in the Caribbean. Anyway, things go on. Protest done. Some people get house lot, then seize up 93 house lot. Some of them go behind me back, and then I cooperate. And who go behind me back, the man give them house lot and bribe them out. Some get and some not get. And what you think them do me now? Me was a wholesale huckster businessman. You was to go open a supermarket and open a restaurant and bar. And when me send me plan, you pass a Ministry of Housing. But you can't pass a SILWF. They send me strike against them. But here what them do them people. I know Gavu Union. Gavu Union was opposition to the PPP government. To the PNC government under the PNC days. Bornham and Desmond Heights fly the helicopter and raise King Cotta money. When the people them strike now, they must say you strike against your own people. Cane cotton sugar worker can't get nothing. You know how much a cotton ton cane a Guyana? 1,100 Guyana dollar. $5.50 to cut 1 ton cane. You got cut 4 ton cane for make $22. And if you, two days you go work, you might make them for buy one bag rice. That's what the PPP do, them coolie people in Berbice, and they're so stupid. Them attack say how 40-day work, 10-day work is to help out. $2.50 an hour. You name me one part in the world who will pay you $5.50 a ton for cut cane and $2.50 an hour US for work. They not check money in Guyana in the moment. I'm calling the US. That's what I'm do to the people. So you can't strike against them. When in every proposition there is an opposition. When the PNC been in party, the public servants not been get money because they was a proposition. The Gavu Union was an opposition. So when he go to the opposition for fight for money for sugar workers, they get money. Now they can't get money because there is only a proposition, there is no opposition. Calvin Duncan, I spoke to him personally. He was the general secretary for PNC. And he told me to form a new union, but people did not cooperate. I was fighting for the rights for sugar workers to get a better life. But I'm good, I'm thing. So you guys gotta come to your senses. This is slavery. Cutting cane for $5.50 a ton. Is that fair? No. You guys gotta come to your senses. It's not fair. To all the sugar workers and all the settlements in Guyana, the British make a law that all sugar workers living in the settlement should not pay water rates and tax. These are the good things the PPP did for you. When they come in power, everybody had to pay rates and tax and water rates. I remember when Canefield had on flood, right? In 1992, when they took over the country, the SILWF, I know what that stands for? Sugar Industry Labor Welfare Fund, had $263 million inside for lend people and help sugar workers build them house and give them loan. By the time they go in, Canefield had the best water pipe. Then dig out all the pipe and say a water go 20 feet more and spend then say $45 million done. When and done, the contract cost $20 million and in thief out $25 million. It's not SILWF, no Sugar Industry Labor Welfare Fund. Spend Industry Welfare Fund money, then spend out all the money. out the crop, Canefield had flood. Then wait till they take $1.5 million for clean one trench run from east to west end of Canefield behind Welfare Center. Then wait when rat dead in the sugar workers rice can. And then take 50 cane cutter and give them $1,000 each for weed down a trench. I remember that? Eh? What am I do for you? They must suck out your blood. Them spend out all the money pan sugar welfare fund. And thief out all the money. That's a good thing they do. And bring rates and tax pan you. I not get sense. I head scrape. Come to your senses what the PPP do for you. Them implement all them thing in this. And punish people. In 1992, them passed $1.8 billion in education sector. Them create one manifesto and they say, Desmond Height spend $1 billion. And then give money for print book. Non-book na print and all the money thief out. In 2003, before me come to this, come to America, me had to go buy 2 books for my daughter with common sense. One for $6,000 and one for $3,000. Where the money we gone for print the book. Then thief out all the money. Bibi Sharik was the education minister. Are you not come to your sense what them people inside do for you? Are you think them do good for you? Then get you one private head, one house lot. And I still got to pay for them. When for get you loan pan sugar welfare fund money, then I get money for get you. I got to take loan pan bank. Then thief out all the money. Are you not get sense? Then I get loan for the sugar workers na mo because then thief out all the money. Come to your senses. No say I go eat sugar water and biscuit till I dead or salt water and biscuit. People of Guyana, let me tell you how I go on. The $40,000 what I give you there. $1,500 for food, $400 for passage, and $100 for soda. $100 can you buy a soda. I think I work $40,000. When I check at the end of the 10 day, I get $20,000. You go in all a little shop in Borbies and Kanji and Cornty all about. Then people get five big notebook. What am I giving credit? 2 pint rice, half pint salt, 1 pound sugar, 1 pack biscuit. And when then draw them $20,000 now, then go pay for next month ration. Who are single parents now? Then go buy one bag rice at $10,000. You check, $4,000 is $20 US a day. Right? When you take out $2,000, how much you work? $10 US a day. Each Guyanese should get $50 US a day. $10,000 a day. Guyanese has suffered from 1946 to now with PVP and PNC. PVP and PNC must go. They must build road. They must build stadium. I have a look at a secret kid. I see who are in the stadium. Then rich man, the president. I jump up and laugh. And the middle class people. Poor people at the house. Build road in the interior and put school bus and carry them people picnic school. Who are going to boat to school? Build one Stelling. Give them free boat for go school. That you got to do. People are eat road and bridge. And say rich people are drive for them. You ever see poor people are drive for road? Poor people not drive for road. They were all the money done. I carry all the money to make road in the interior. 8 billion, 10 billion, 20 billion, 100 billion. When they done all the road wash out, I see all the minibus and truck and thing a fast. When they carry food and bring things for them people from the interior, from let them all over. Eh? I not get sense. Why think I open my sugar factory for? For you walk and eat sugar water and bread. And coconut and sugar. That I open for. You don't see long ago, people sit on the street corner up and step and think I catch louse. Now, people here not get louse. PNC and PVP suck out all your fucking blood in your head. Your louse there out. Cane cut them in a fetch cane and get hair in the head. If I not go for a change, you know what go wrong with you? I go Borbish River and catch salt water and coconut and salt water and biscuit. They must build a racetrack. I see who go to the racetrack? I see rich people and middle class people. Where the poor people go? Poor people got their home in the house. They must starve. They gotta go take $2 thing, $5 thing a shop. And who? I gotta go for a change. $40,000 is nothing. When election time come and get $100,000 cash grant, and bribe you. I don't put a X inside a cup, outside a cup, side a cup. I don't care where you put them. I come to your senses. You gotta go for a change. 1992 when I win the Milan University. $20 billion. I mean, how much university? $48 billion. When you go for estate for full of paper, for cut cane, you gotta do a little test. What business is that? Are you not see what these people do to you? Are you stupid? Are you head not get blood? PNC and PVP suck out all your blood. I can't think. Once blood not go your head, you can't think. Come to your senses. Open canned food industry and stuff. Send things to different export to different country. Put rice in bag and pack it them. Haiti one rice, Africa one rice. I sit down there on your study when the next contract for thief. Come on. Thing, I call them people in Georgetown scrapehead. Borbies get more mad scrapehead than any part of the world. I got to come to your sense. I punch, but I can't think because I'm suck out of your brain. I blood pan of your brain. And the food I eat, your brain can't function, so I can't think. Every 5 years, Barata come a Borbies and come a Kanji. Where you come from? For your mad ass put your ex in a cup. You gotta go for a change. NC and PPP from 1946 to now, I ruined the country. Then got to go.